Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. At IncomeInvestors.com, we generally look for dividend stocks with yield above 5%, but sometimes we consider stocks with lower yields but significant potential in terms of share price gains. That's the case with today's income pick, NextEra Energy Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol NEE. It's a utility company with a 122.8 billion market cap. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, NextEra Energy started in 1925 as Florida Power and Light Company. Now it changed its name to FPL Group Inc. in 1984, then changed its name to NextEra Energy Inc. in 2010. Now, Florida Power and Light Company still exists as a subsidiary of NextEra, and it's actually the largest electric utility in North America, serving about 5.8 million customers in Florida. Now, NextEra Energy also owns the clean energy business NextEra Energy Resources, LLC. This business unit, along with its affiliates, is the world's largest generator of renewable energy, and that's solar and wind. It's also a major player in the battery storage sector.
How is this company doing financially?
Well, NextEra Energy's revenue picture has been mixed, with growth in only 2 of its last 5 reported years. Positive development was a rebound in its revenue of 22.8% to a 5-year high in 2022. Now, that performance was far better than those of the previous 3 years, which includes 2 years of actual negative growth. For full year 2023, analysts expect NextEra Energy to maintain a double-digit revenue growth rate. Now, they estimate that the company will ramp up its revenues by 25.9% to $26.38 billion in full year 2023. Followed by an additional 2.4% increase in 2024 to $27 billion.
How is the profitability looking here?
Now, on the bottom line, NextEra Energy has consistently delivered pretty solid profitability results. The company reported 2 straight years of diluted earnings per share growth in the last 4 years. Its EPS grew by 15.7% to $2.10 per diluted share in 2022. But that was well below its 5-year high of $3.47 per share in 2018. Now, analysts expect NextEra Energy to report an adjusted $3.13 per diluted share for full year 2023 versus $2.90 per share in 2022, and is expected to rise to $3.40 per share in 2024.
How has the financial performance at NextEra Energy impacted its dividends?
NextEra Energy's free cash flow has been inconsistent due to its heavy capital expenditures. Its 5-year free cash flow high was $1.2 billion in 2018, and its 5-year free cash flow low was negative $1.48 billion in 2022. It's important to note that the company has $9.74 billion in capital expenditures in 2022, so that partly explains that. Now, while NextEra Energy's free cash flow has been inconsistent over its past 5 reported years, its total dividends on its common shares have actually risen by 69% since 2018. NextEra Stock quarterly dividend of 0.4675 per share in December represents a yield of 3.14%. Now, given the company's expended higher revenue and profitability, I expect its dividend growth to continue. Of particular note, NextEra Energy has paid dividend for 53 straight years, which makes it a dividend king. It's also raised its dividends for 28 consecutive years. Moreover, the company is one of the top dividend payers among its peer group.
How is NextEra Stock looking?
As of this recording, NextEra Energy stock is actually down around 26% in 2023. But my view is that this presents a contrarian opportunity, given that NextEra Energy Inc. has again paid dividends for 58 straight years and raised its dividends for 28 straight years. And NextEra stock is currently trading below its 200-day moving average of $67.42 per share and is caught in a death cross. Now, that's a bearish technical crossover pattern that forms when a stock's 50-day moving average breaks below its 200-day moving average. A plus is that NextEra Energy stock has been rallying since its recent sell-off, and it's actually up roughly 28% since early October.
John, thank you so much for providing insights. Just to recap, NextEra Energy is a top-tier utility company and a clean energy provider. We expect its financial to improve considering the ongoing move towards cleaner energy. Institutional investors love NEE stock. As of this recording, 2,986 institutions hold an 81.3% stake in the company. Its insiders have also been buying stock to tune of 37,806 shares over the past 6 months. While the company's high carrying cost of debt and large expenditure are a concern, NextEra Energy should have no problem paying its interest expense and dividends. The company's payout ratio of 48.2 is reasonable, and its high expected earnings should allow management to continue increasing NextEra Energy's stock's dividend. That's it for today. And now make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get our free special reports on 3 dividend stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.